Hi everyone, welcome to this exciting collection of brain-teasing riddles, challenge your mind with these clever and thought-provoking puzzles designed to spark your creativity and sharpen your problem-solving skills. Each riddle comes with a fascinating twist and a clear answer, so get ready to test your wit and see how many you can solve. Let's dive in and have some fun. Riddle number 1. What goes up and never comes down? Can you answer this riddle? Answer is your age. Riddle number 2. What gets bigger when more is taken away? The answer is a hole. Riddle number 3. What is always coming but never arrives? The answer is tomorrow. Riddle number 4. What gets wetter the more it dries? The answer is a towel. Riddle number 5. What has one eye but can't see? The answer is a needle. Riddle number 6. Who makes it has no need of it. Who buys it has no use for it. Who uses it can neither see nor feel it. What is it? The answer is a coffin. Riddle number 7. Poor people have it. Rich people need it. If you eat it, you die. What is it? Answer is nothing. Riddle number 8. What is easy to get into but hard to get out of? The answer is a trouble. Riddle number 9. What is full of holes but still holds water? The answer is a spongy. Riddle number 10. What has to be broken before you can use it? The answer is an egg. Riddle number 11. What can you catch but not throw? The answer is a cold. Riddle number 12. You can carry it everywhere you go and it does not get heavy. What is it? The answer is your name. Riddle number 13. The more you take, the more you leave behind. What am I? The answer is footsteps. Riddle number 14. Samir wants to travel around the world. He had only traveled halfway around the world before he had to start traveling back home. Why was this? The answer is that if you travel halfway around the world away from your starting point, the next hop you start to travel back towards your starting point. Riddle number 15. What can be given and accepted is worth a great deal but costs nothing, yet has no monetary value. The answer is an apology. Riddle number 16. What can run but never walk? The answer is water. Riddle number 17. What word is pronounced the same when you take away 4 of its 5 letters? The answer is Q. Riddle number 18. Peter drinks more water in January than in February, but the same amount of water in August as in January. Why? The answer is that there are more days in January than February and the same amount of days in January and August. Riddle number 19. In a room, there is a king, a queen, and 2 twins, but nobody is in the room. How is this? The answer is that they are all beds. Riddle number 20. What can be opened and closed but no human has ever passed through it? Answer is a mouth. Great job solving these riddles, whether you guessed them all or learned something new. I hope you enjoyed the journey through these mind-bending riddles. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more engaging content like this. And if you have a favorite riddle or new want to share, leave it in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. See you in the next video and keep your mind sharp.